Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia XR21, and today I will show you how we can put this device into download mode. So, before we get started, we will need to grab a cable. You want to plug it into your computer, and then once you have that ready, I'm going to first turn off our device. There we go. So you want to select power off, and when the device turns off, you then want to hold your volume down. So volume down, plug it in, and power button. And this will put us into boot mode. So in here, this would basically be considered a download mode as well. It's basically a all kind of purpose mode. So from here we can redirect to different options. We have restart bootloader, which basically this is a bootloader. This is also fast boot mode and download mode. So go figure. But if you select restart bootloader, it will bring us back here, even though it's literally labeled fast boot mode in here. Then below that we have power off, we have start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, and that's about all the options we have. So I'm gonna select start. Now, if I didn't mention, we navigate through these options that are visible right here using volume up or down, and we use power button to confirm whatever is selected. So I'm gonna select start. Like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.